Let me show you how to make a glow shimmer body oil that will glow your skin and give you that extra sparkle. This formula can increase your income by 100% and take your brand from basic to innovative real fast. Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever we post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Happy New Year, everyone. This is our first YouTube video for the year, and I promise to bring you lots and lots of innovative video yet to come. So stick around. First thing first, we're going to be disinfecting our working tools using a rubbing alcohol. Now, a lot of you make the mistake of spraying your rubbing alcohol onto your tools and leaving it like that in the name of disinfecting. That is very wrong. What you ought to do is spray the rubbing alcohol and wipe it away with a towel, because you don't want the residues of the rubbing alcohol to be interfering with your product. That could be like another chemical change. Or you can soak these tools you're going to be working with in a solution of rubbing alcohol and warm water overnight. Never wash your tools with detergent. So if you're one of those people that are used to washing your tools for production with detergent, please make a change this 2026. So the first thing first, we're going to be going in with our sunflower oil. The sunflower oil is a lightweight emollient rich in linoleic acid. It helps to soften the skin and supports the skin barrier without heaviness. Sunflower oils are highly non-greasy, and I want this oil to be a really lightweight oil and also super affordable. So that is why we went for the sunflower. The sunflower is a very lightweight, non-greasy oil, and it's also very affordable and very accessible to everyone in the market, and we're going to be using it at 38%. Registration for the 2026 batch B of our online training is currently ongoing. This is not business as usual. It's not just going to be a pre-recorded class. We have designed and tailored our online classes to feel just like physical classes, as you will be learning on the go and in real time, asking real-time questions to real-time tutors, not just jamming you all into a Telegram channel. So if you don't want to miss out on this, kindly message the number on your screen to get registered. Registration closes soon. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to become the best skincare or hair care product formulator there is. Up next, we're going in with our sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is a nourishing oil that helps to improve skin smoothness, elasticity, and overall skin comfort. Another reason why we're making use of this, aside its benefits, is because one, it is also lightweight, and two, it is also very accessible in the market. Like, no matter where you are in the world, it is very easy for you to access sweet almond oil. Up next, we're going to be going in with fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is a fast-absorbing, non-greasy carrier oil that gives slip and dry touch finish. So if you want to have that non-greasy feel or non-greasy finish in your body oils, you want to go for extremely lightweight oils and you want to go for non-greasy carrier oils. It's the base of your oil that would determine the final feel of this oil. And for me, fractionated coconut oil is the most affordable and easily accessed option for that function. If you've watched to this point, please do well to run to other social media platforms and give us a follow. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Fellymark Beauty School. We're more than delighted to teach you how to become the best version of yourself as far as beauty business is concerned. Up next, we're going to be going in with our Oli Wax. Oli Wax is an oil structuring wax that thickens the oil, improves skin feel, and helps suspend shimmer evenly. You know, a lot of the body or the shimmer body oils that you purchase in the market, when you purchase it, you're going to figure that the shimmer goes down and the oil stays up. It's not a bad thing, as you can always shake it and it will mix again, but it doesn't give your oil a really professional look. So with the Oli wax present in this formulation, there's going to be zero risk of settling. Your oils will be well suspended as the Oli wax rather acts as a suspending aid in this formula. We also have a body oil special class where we are going to be teaching you how to make everything body oils, from your gel oils, just like your Vaseline gel oils that you love, down to your face oils, down to stretch mark treatment oils, different oils that just make sense. Only in our body oil special class. For you to be a part of that class, send a WhatsApp message to the number displayed on your screen and just say body oil class, and we're going to give you the full details to be in that class. Now that we've added the Oli wax, we're going to take it aside to double boil so that the Oli wax can melt thoroughly and blend in with our oil base. Now that our Oli wax has melted successfully with our oil base, we're going to be going in with our mica powders. Our mica powders are the reason for the shimmer. Now, your mica powders comes in different colors, and depending on the shade of shimmer that you want, you will have to understand how to blend your mica powders effectively. So if you're making this oil for thoroughly fair skin, you want to go with a mica or a mica blend that suits the skin color. As for me, I'll be doing a blend that can go with any skin color without making them look too shouty or too dull. So for my soft base, I'm going to be going in first with the pale white mica powder. I feel like this pale white mica powder is more or less the setting of the foundation, or the foundation, because, you know, it is white and it can easily blend in with any skin. It's going to give the rest of the mica blends we're going to be working with a really, really soft landing. Up next, we're going to be going in with our gold dust mica. Now, this is like the queens of shine. The gold dust mica is going to give you that deliberate glitter that we want this body oil to have. I mean, what is glitter and shimmer without a sprinkle of gold here and there? Finally, we're going to be going in with our bronze mica powder. The bronze mica powder is like the calm to the storm. It's going to help this powder or this shimmer oil blend into any skin perfectly well. It's going to make it acceptable to the dark skin. It's going to make it acceptable to fair skin. It's going to make it acceptable to white skin without doing too much. So it is otherwise going to be the star of the show. It's going to be like the balancer. It's like what is balancing the equation between the mica blends. Now you want to give this a really good mix. If you have this small hand stirrer or this small hand mixer, you can actually make use of that to ensure that it is properly incorporated into one another. So you want to mix this very well. Mix it to ensure that the mica blends well into one another, giving you a uniform rhyme, and it's properly mixed generally. Up next, you want to go in with your tocopherol. Tocopherol serves as an antioxidant that will help protect your oils from oxidation and support the skin conditioning. Now, tocopherol is a higher form of vitamin E. I didn't want to use the word vitamin E so that you don't make a general mistake of using those tiny capsules instead of buying the actual tocopherol. And finally, we're going to be going in with our fragrance oil because we want this oil to smell super nice. I use the baby powder fragrance oil because I'll be the one using this particular oil, and I just wanted that, baby feel because I'm a baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. At this point, our Glow Body Shimmer Oil is done. So you just want to stir and then package this in a very transparent bottle so that anybody seeing it can be attracted to the bottle first. This oil will not separate, like your powders will not go down and your oils come up. It's going to stay this way for as long as, and I promise you, by the time you start selling this in the market, people will not just be buying this for how functional it is, but people will also be buying it because everybody wants that extra sparkle. after moisturizing your skin, you just want to add that sealant that will make you glow and shine and just scream, hey everybody, I'm doing skincare. So are you going to be trying this formula, or are you going to be including these products to your brand list today? If yes, do let us know in the comment section. Feel free to ask us any question you want in the comment section, or you can send us a WhatsApp message with your question and we'll be more than delighted to answer you. Thank you so much for being part of this video till the very end. Until next time, it's bye from here.